He had one of those personalities where if he wanted something, his will would drive him to make it happen. Well, one of the things that they liked about the way he ran the restaurant was his discretion. The stars, they didn't want anything to show up in the newspapers or all the tabloids. And my father never allowed any cameras in the restaurant. He never allowed any reporters, anybody like that. He wouldn't let anybody go from table to table unless he knew they were friends. So they knew that when they could come to the restaurant, they would not be bothered. He loved living what you would call first-class lifestyle. When he traveled, he always traveled first class. He always ate in the best restaurants, stayed in the best hotels, and travel with, you know, what would be considered, you know, the crème de la crème of whether it was the people involved with wine or the people involved with restaurants or the Hollywood crowd. With his friends, he was very outgoing, very charismatic. It was his will. He had this drive to do things, to do exceptional things. Now he had talent, he had intelligence, and he had the will to do it. So even though he started with nothing, he wound up having everything he wanted. A little different than him. I still enjoy going out to dinner, I enjoy good wines, but I'm not nearly as critical as he was. I'm a little more easygoing, but in many respects, I am the next generation of La Scala and the world of wines and food.